Hello everyone, I'm Shubham. In this video, we'll cover how to create a knowledge base, which is essential for training your chatbot and providing instant, relevant support to your users. First, let's navigate to the knowledge base feature. On the main dashboard, you'll find it under the Home section and click on Knowledge Base. Once you're on the Knowledge Base page, click on the Add Knowledge Base button, located in the top right corner or the center of the screen if it's your first one. This will open the Add Knowledge Base pop-up. Here, you can upload a file that contains the information you want your chatbot to learn. This can be in formats like PDF, doc, CSV, or HTML. The system will automatically extract the file name. You can then add a brief file description to help you identify it later. You'll see a confirmation message that the file was uploaded successfully, and the system will begin processing the document. After a short time, the status will change to completed, and that's how easy it is to upload a document and create a knowledge base for your chatbot. I hope you found this helpful. We'd love to hear your feedback on this feature, so please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thank you for watching.